Hi, my name is Julie Mayberry, and I'm doing a presentation on book censorship. Firstly, why are books banned? This may be due to the sexual content it contains, people's religious beliefs, use of inappropriate language, a book challenging the government's ideas, and overall parents rallying against a book to be banned. Does this mean that these reasons are valid, though? Here's a list of some of the most popular banned books, such as Huckleberry Finn for the excessive use of the N-word, Harry Potter for many reasons, such as the wizard aspect of it, the book 1984 because the Big Brother challenges the government and suggests that the government is actually becoming, quote unquote, a big brother. Lolita, a book about pedophilia, Catcher in the Rye, which depicts a rebellious teenager whom other teenagers may idolize. It was really difficult for me to write the prose because I am not pro censorship, but some people may find censorship very helpful because they believe it may minimize national security threats. It can reduce the amount of violence and sexual content in books. It helps parents monitor their children's literature without having to be present. And prevents people from being offended. Although one of the cons of censorship is that people are already getting all of this content in the television, which is much more commonly used on a daily basis rather than books. Also, when it comes to parents monitoring the literature of their children's literature, parents really should be present in their child's literature. Some of the cons of banning books are that books are the best tools to teach. Each individual should decide the books that they read. Books can change our minds and the world. Banning is usually based on personal opinions and not facts. Times change and may change the meaning of books and how widely accepting they are. Some of my thoughts and beliefs on censorship is that censorship should be an individual choice, but children do need guidance when deciding appropriate books, just like they need guidance when choosing appropriate television shows. But as parents and teachers, we need to be open to discussion revolving books that children may want to read that we are thinking isn't necessarily appropriate for them. And if a child is very pushy and really wants to read a certain book, it's a good idea to be open to reading it with them and having an open discussion about the book. Because telling a child no to a book can have negative consequences and leave them feeling repressed. There are many books I would not want to read personally, and I may not want to read to my students. But overall, it is my personal choice for myself and not a decision I need to make for all readers. Thank you.